Today's hack is Quora. Quora has been one of the most amazing platforms ever created under the sun. Why? Because it gives you an ability to answer questions. It's like Yahoo Answers on steroid. But today, Quora has taken over the Q&A space unlike any other. I want you to go to Quora and find questions that your ideal customers are asking and begin to invest in answers. You can answer one question a day, 2 questions a day. I know big business owners that are still investing a lot of time in Quora. You can also do advertising on Quora. What it lets you do is actually advertise the topics, different questions, and have your brand be right at the top of it. Right after the first question answer, there's an ad. I used to do Quora ads the first time when it came out. All right, it was low cost per click, and I got a lot of clicks out of it and a lot of engagement on our website. You could start by doing organic Quora, give great quality answers, find it as a resources for future content that you could create for your blog posts and so on. Also think about advertising on Quora if you really think that place is really good for you from a lead generation perspective. But if you're not utilizing Quora today, first thing you need to do is create an account, start engaging with the content creators and the people that are asking questions already. So if you haven't really started using Quora, the first thing you do is go create an account and start answering questions to existing questions that's already there, or start asking questions and see what people are going to answer. Build a following in Quora and start being a value add, right? Not value extraction. You want to go in there, give as much value as possible, start scaling your agency. So if you're wondering what you can be doing on Quora, on Facebook, on Instagram to grow your agency, that's precisely what we do here at ClickX. We have over 150 consultants to help you get new customers, new leads, close deals, all the way to fulfillment. And if you want to find out more about what we do, schedule a call with one of our consultants. But first, what I want you to do today is go to Quora, look around, put in the keywords for your niche and see what kind of questions are coming up. Are other agency owners in there engaging? If not, that field is wide open for you to crush it. So I hope you take advantage of this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.